So how many pieces have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. It's not really straight on this side, so I'm going to have to cut it, make it straight at the end. But what I'm going to do now is just paint every other one like black, white, black, white. It's going to be a black and white flag. So I've just gone ahead and painted them white, black, white, black, white, black. And what I'm going to do next is probably attach them to this board here. And then I'm going to have to paint some of these white pieces black from like there on, probably halfway. But I'll do that once once I put it together and then put the stars on. But yeah, it looks all good. Gonna have to line one side up when I put it on the board, and then the other side I'll just cut off. Also, when I first cut the pieces of pallet wood, I got it on video, but I don't really explain it. I just cut them into like different pieces. I didn't really want to make it too big. But yeah, seems okay. It's not like the best looking one, but it should be sweet. So yeah, I'll just wait for that to dry, and it shouldn't be too long. Then just carry on with the next part. So I just made this paper stencil, my craft cutter. Never really tried it like this before, so I don't really know how it's going to work. But I'm just going to add some spray tack, adhesive spray to it to make it stick. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint it just with that white paint. So yeah.